Okay, so we are going to learn how to add a contact form from scratch on a website. So an easy way to do so it's we can clone the page. So if we go to our dashboard and then we go to pages and then we go to all pages and we have here the different pages that we have for a site. In this case, we have the contact already. So we can just go ahead and clone. You see here the option of clone. So it is a good way to keep the same format and um, just have a brand new website without uh, much work to do on in terms of the design, the colors. So you already have it here. So we're gonna do so, we're gonna clone this page so we know it is clone. This is a clone, it's draft. So we're going to quick edit and we're gonna update it. And then update it. So we have it contact 2. And then we can go ahead and edit our page and edit with Elementor. So that way we go to our website that we just cloned. And we have this because we just cloned our page. So basically the way that we add the form, there's different ways to add the contact form. This is what I already have done, but you have this little thing where you can select the plus and then you can select the type of structure that you want. So for example, um, in this section, I added two, like two structures to add this message and this. Here I added just one. So it depends on what design you wanna choose, the one that you will pick. So in this case, we are going to add just one. And then there's several ways to add the form. One of the basic ways, which is the one that I used for here, is you go here to this place, which is the menu. Is the basic menu, which you can add the heading, which it creates something like this, the text editor if you're creating post, buttons, dividers, spacers, it depends. But in this case, we're gonna look for our contact form. I just type in form and you will have several here, and we want just a basic one. So we can just drag this here, just like this form, and you can see like it's like a very basic one. We have name, email, message. It has already like a color. Once you have this here, you can edit the content. So here is the name, and then you have the label, which is in here. As you can see in this form, I just placed it in the like the form, like inside the form. So to do so, you just remove the label, which automatically you can see that it removed this thing. And you can do that with every single one of them. You can also type like if you want something different here, you can just select it and you will have, yes, like different things here, but we just want a text here because this is a contact format. So Yes, we can edit this. So if you want to, let's say, remove these messages from there, you just select the actual tab where it says message name, email, and you delete the label, which it will leave us like this. And from this, you can go to the style, and in the style one, you can um, edit like the rows, like the spaces here. Um, you can also, like, this is for the color of the letter. So yeah, we select the one that we want. Let's say we want a red. It didn't change, but you can select also the type of the like the type of font, like the typography. And now it says we want this, so you can see the change here. You can also size it. Yeah, and then the field, you can edit the color um, in the field, the background color, which is right now the white. I don't know, let's say we want a different color. So you will see here the edit, and you can play around here. This is just about playing and clicking and see what works better. In this case, the colors of the website is blue and white and black. So you can see that I personalized the main menu with the color, so it's like you know that it's for this website. So it depends the colors and of your selection, but basically here you can edit the form, the actual form, and the size. Like the the size that you have in here is huge, and this is the size that I wanted, fitting with this message. So you can edit it here in the form, and then you can edit the field, the actual field, and then the button, which it will be the submit. As you can see here, you have like a very large button and like very simple one. And you can see here in this menu that I already made, um, that it changed once you place you click it here. And you can edit this in the button section. So instead of the green, you can add the color of your choice and just play around with the padding and the radius to see the size, if you want it small or you want it big as this. And then you can edit the message. Normally I don't edit anything from here, but I mean, it's you can just play around here to make the menu, um, like this basic menu, clean, neat, and that it goes along with the website. And then we have some advanced settings here, which is more about the padding, the merging, the position. I normally don't touch these ones, but again, it's a matter of if you want to just go around and explore. And then once you finished like your form and everything, it looks good, you can just check in the responsive mode. So it's very useful, and you can select the mobile portrait, and you can see on the mobile view how it looks. So if you like how this looks, here we have the other menu. And then if it's like ready to go, you just publish it and you can just take a look on these preview changes. And that's basically one way to do so. Now the other way, that probably it's a bit faster. It's a matter of like what you like. But we did like the section, and in the same place that we back then we just added here in the structure, instead of clicking the plus, we can click the here, and you will have like the Elementor templates that are already made. So in this case, we're looking for a contact. So you can create a whole page of contact, and you have here like get in touch, contact us. So let's say like instead of like adding ourselves the basic one, we just click this. Okay, you can see we have the username. It's a bit different, but it depends like if you want it, you like this. You can click. So we got the contact on categories. You can select your favorite ones, so the ones that you've already. So we have this get in touch. So you just insert. Okay, so I don't know why it's telling me to sign in, but let's say you already added, you will have it here, like the full contact form here, and then you have this other one which is the Astra, and it's the same, practically the same. So you can select a page or a block, and let's say that you select a block and you want the contact. So then you just go with the contact, and you have several ones in here. But let's say we want, I don't know, like this. You see here, contact us, and then you have here the location, several things, the map. Um, let's say we want this, so we just import. I don't know why he's asking me this, but then you have this. The block is added, like it's a self, like already made uh template. Instead of like adding manually and like customizing it yourself, you just you know add this whole block. This is just a block, but you can add a page, so you will have a full page, and then you can select this and as well customize it with the colors of your page. So let's say that you change this contact us for um, the color of the website. Let's just pick it real quick. Let's say it's just an example. So you just select this, and then you edit, you change like as you need it. Here you have here a button that is like a pencil, so you can edit the actual form. You go to style, and you can go to here, and you have here several um like options here that you can click. You see that how this change, because in here you can edit the map, and then you can edit the actual layout. So you go to style, and you can see that this changed. So our page color is black, so you just change it to black, and you change these letters to our colors. It depends in each situation of the website and the colors that you have, but you can basically with this little pencil change the information. So it's just a matter of like what you want. This is the same with Elementor. I don't know why it didn't let me, but it's exactly the same. You can edit it, and I think probably this option would be better if you don't have like a specific design in here. That's why I did it this way, because we already have like this design that is clean and neat. But this is basically the ways that you have to add the contact us, or like the form itself, or like a contact page here. And that would be it.